All right, let's do a little tripod action. Got a red button. I think I got a timer. It's behind the clamp for the tripod. Anyway, I think we're live. So let's do a little bit of tripod here. Water heater wants to argue. No surprise there. Okay, I missed the spot. Yeah, I missed a whole bunch. Now, let's look inside a water heater. Ooh, ain't that some funky? Ain't that some funky looking stuff? Just think. That's what's inside a funked out water heater. And you know, that's probably from a purified water system. Could be a well system. But it's probably a purified well system. So let's dump that stuff and see what else is in there. Oh, there's one heating elements, and here's the other one. I do believe that failed, but that long skinny rod is at the other end of that nipple, and I don't know exactly what that is. Unless it's the anode. If that's what it is, it was shot. No idea. But the water dumped right there. I mean, well, it didn't dump. That's where the water came into. This is the hot water side, so this water came out these two holes going into the house. So I'm guessing that was an anode or something. It's gone now. Like I said, all that's left now is just to use it for what I intended to use it for. But now it's cut. Alright, so I started filling this 50-gallon water heater up with cans and such. And I started building my magnet screen. I could put the wings on it. And the wings, I think, well, you know, sometimes it's just a matter of putting it together to see how the concept actually works. And so, I'm thinking that these, I might have to cut these in half. Because what I really need, I need that wing to go down here, and from here down to here. Like that. On both sides. To funnel it, the debris into it. Anyway, I run those screws, and need at least probably 2 more magnets. But, anyway, and for those that are curious, the Harbor Freight magnets are just pieces of magnets put into a track. That's the cheapest way to get them, though. They're only like $2. So, I mean, what are you going to do? So anyway, the concept is you put these on here and you take your shovel and you throw your ash pile up against it. If there's magnetic material in the ash, it'll stick to the magnets. So I need my gloves. I can't find them. Probably wore them out and got rid of them. But I need a pair of gloves. And then, like I said, I got this over here to fill up with loose stuff that comes out of this. And now the burn pile I could put in that. And I can just pick that up with a dolly. Just pick that up with a dolly and take it out there. And then, here we go. But like I said, I ain't done yet. And then that is going to become a bin for aluminum and non-ferrous metal. Yeah, right now I got something I gotta do, but she's not back with the car yet. So, yeah. But yeah, I think cutting this in half, cutting this material in half, will give me some wings. And it should be enough wings to keep it from deflecting off the sides instead of through the middle where I want it to be. I may have to make the wings bigger. This is a try and error kind of thing. But I run out of screws.